Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PSEG EV incentives and charging assistance, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the PSEG website to access the EV incentives section. Look for the latest information on electric vehicle incentives and charging assistance programs. Review the eligibility criteria for both the incentives and assistance programs. Ensure that your vehicle or charging station meets the requirements outlined. Create an account on the PSEG portal if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and contact details. Confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to your inbox. Log into your PSEG account using your newly verified credentials. Navigate to the section dedicated to EV incentives and charging assistance. Select the specific program you wish to apply for. Read through the program details carefully to understand the benefits and conditions. Complete the online application form with the required information about your vehicle or charging station. Upload any necessary documentation, such as proof of purchase or installation receipts. Double-check all information to ensure accuracy before submitting the application. Submit your application through the online portal. Wait for a confirmation email regarding the status of your application. Monitor your email for any requests for additional information from PSEG. Once approved, review the terms of the incentive or assistance you will receive. Follow the instructions provided to claim your benefits or schedule your charging station installation. Contact PSEG customer service if you have any questions or need further assistance during the process. Keep all related documents and correspondence for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.